Hello everyone, David King here from Flow Mobile Surveying. So we've spent the past few weeks adding a few new templates to our platform, mostly around ventilation, ductwork, kitchen extract. You'll have seen our posts on that. But we're also not forgetting our asbestos friends also. So here we've got a Certificate of Reoccupation, so air testing and analysis. And I just wanted to show you some of the work we've done on that report. So as with all of our templates, we try to be very careful to make sure it's very readable and legible, and also to the standard as well. So typically we get a lot of example reports from other surveyors and inspectors and try to take them into account when we're building up our own version. So here is no exception, and we've done some, I think, some pretty neat things here. So the first thing you might notice is the cover page. So the cover page is essentially the certificate itself. It's the declaration. This should contain enough information to give you a good overview of what this Certificate of Reoccupation is saying. So here I can see at a glance that the Certificate of Reoccupation has not been issued, and it's failed on stage 4. I also can see the site and the enclosure, as well as the scope and signatories as well for the assessor and the contractor. So even if this is the only thing I look at, I'm in a pretty good place here. I've failed stage 4, but obviously I can then read ahead to see how those stages have panned out. So here I've got stage 1. I've passed all of the standard checks, and we've also included a photo preview as well. So on this template, you can add photos to any of the stages, and we create just these thumbnails in line. But at the end of the report, if I just fast forward a little bit, you can see these full-size appendixes as well. And if you click into these images, you can see the high-res version too. So let's get back to this report. So stage 1, we've got a few photos. Stage 2, again, we've passed that. We've just got 2 photos here. Stage 3 is a pass. And you can see on the air monitoring side of things that we've taken just 1 sample, and we've got an appendix with that full air sampling and analysis a bit later on in the document. And just for demonstration purposes, I have failed stage 4. So what we do here is when we're collecting data on the stage 4 section, at the final part here, when we're giving our declaration, we can either pass or fail that section. Another thing you can do, so let's say stage 3, stage 3 was failed. So let's say that we failed that. I understand my results are now wrong. You can see that instantly updates to fail, but we might not want to then show stage 4. So we just tap this button, not applicable, and that's just going to disappear off the report. And again, if we scroll back up to that cover page, that overview of the stages has been updated as well. So again, at a glance, you can see we failed at stage 3 and stage 4 is now not applicable. So there's various other parts to this template that I don't want to get into for this quick video, but we do the air testing calculations, we round to the correct number of significant figures, and we're reporting in all the correct ways as well. So if you want to know any more about our air testing template or any of our other templates, please get in touch. We always look forward to your feedback, and I hope you're having a great week. Toodaloo.